So Mesolithic 1, Elba, a shepherdess in Spain, Galicia, Spain, a match 0.28%. So let's learn more about it. Apparently I'm 12.6% genetically closer to the sample than other genome link users. Elba, nicknamed the Shepherdess or cowherd, is a 9,300-year-old Mesolithic human fossil discovered in the Chan do Lindero cave, Chan Meso, in the O Corel mountain range of Lugo province, Galicia, Spain. She is the first female Mesolithic human from the Iberian Peninsula to undergo genetic and facial analysis. The site, found initially via a cave sinkhole in 1996, with further excavations occurring around 2010, at a depth of 15 to 20 metres. Because Galician soil is acidic and destroys bone, limestone pockets like this cave are rare exceptions. Facial reconstruction by forensic artists and researchers reveal she had dark skin, dark hair and brown eyes, presenting features similar to the UK's contemporary Cheddar Man. Standing around 5 feet tall, her bones showed evidence of a hard life, a severe childhood head injury, joint disease, chronic toothaches and poor nutrition. Isotope analysis indicates she was lactose intolerant and not a native to the immediate local area. The Uryx enigma, extinct cattle, her remains were found intermingled with the bones of 3 Uryx, an extinct species of large wild cattle, an adult male with massive horns and 2 younger specimens. The Shepherdess debate, because she was found alongside these large ruminants, scientists debated whether she was an early animal domesticator trailing a herd, or if their presence together in the chasm was a coincidental result of a terrain collapse. Mitochondrial DNA analysis on the Uryx showed they were genetically distinct from one another, leaving their exact relationship to early human herding a continuing scientific puzzle. So how does my DNA connect with Elba's DNA? So the connection between U5B and J1C3 is that they are distant branches of the exact same human family tree. They share a deep maternal common ancestor at macrohaplogroup R. Roughly 55,000 years ago, a woman belonging to macrohaplogroup N, gave birth to a daughter who carried a new set of mitochondrial mutations. Geneticists call this woman the matriarch of macrohaplogroup R. She likely lived in Western Asia or the Near East. Every person who carries U5B or J1C3 today is her direct maternal descendant. The divergence. As the descendants of macrohaplogroup R multiplied and migrated, the lineage split into separate pathways. The U path, one of the earliest daughters of the R, founded haplogroup U 50,000 years ago. Her descendants pushed deep into Europe. Over thousands of years, this line mutated into U5 and eventually into Elba's specific U5B branch during the height of the Ice Age. The J path, a different daughter of R, eventually gave rise to the JT lineage, which split further to create haplogroup J 30,000 years ago. This line largely remained in the Near East and Anatolia, slowly evolving into J1C and later J1C3. Prehistoric reunion in Iberia. While these two lines split 55,000 years ago, archaeology and ancient DNA show they cross paths again thousands of years later. U5B represents the indigenous Paleolithic and Mesolithic hunter-gatherers who survived the Ice Age and European refuges. J1C3 represents the Neolithic agricultural wave, when early farmers migrated out of the Near East and Anatolia into Europe around 8,000 years ago. They brought J1C lineage with them. In prehistoric Spain, the descendants of these two ancient sister-like lineages finally met, traded and integrated. Next on the list in this Mesolithic 1 era is the blue-eyed female from Fertile Crescent in Loristan province, Iran. I match 0.24%.